So, what is the second most popular red grape variety planted in Rioja?
Remember, go ahead and put your answers into the comment section as the music's playing. Once the music stops, we'll reveal the answer and a couple of knowledge bombs as well.
All right, remember this is the second, not the most popular grape variety.
Great. Okay, so Monika, people answering Grenache so far. So we have 3 answers for Grenache.
Okay, fantastic. So it is Garnacha Tinta. So Grenache, essentially it is Grenache, but the Garnacha Tinta is the Spanish way of calling it. So 7.5% of plantings. The most popular is, of course, the Tempranillo, but the fun fact, it wasn't always a case. It used to be Garnacha Tinta that used to be more planted, but after the phylloxera, after the changes in the wine region, it was Tempranillo that became to shine. It's sort of easier to cultivate as well. Hence, Garnacha Tinta is now actually sort of in a spotlight. So that's changing positively for Garnacha, and we're looking into more and more single varietal Garnachas in Rioja. So what's the next question? Which of the following Rioja calificadas, wine designations, is most often sold? So guarantee of origin, crianza, reserva, or gran reserva. Which one is it?
Okay, Monika, here we have a couple of different answers. 2 people putting in crianza and 2 people putting in reserva as their answers.
Okay, the answer is actually crianza, and this is 45% of sales, with the followed by guarantee of origin 35%, reserva 17%, and gran reserva 3%. Crianza is actually selling really well locally. It's selling fantastically in a local Spanish market, and Spanish market also see a rise in the sales of the wines with a designation of origin.